Dear IAS Aspirants, Masters IAS invites you to join a webinar on a master's strategy to qualify Prelims 2021 under the guidance of Dr. S M Azad, Delhi. What you will be getting in this webinar: what is the emergent need to qualify UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination? A detailed research-based analysis of previous papers of 10 years. A secret master's strategy to succeed. What approach should be there with respect to recent trends? Time management. A game-changing factor. Webinar will be organized on 5th of May at 11:45 a.m. How to register for a webinar? To get registered, you need to visit our official website www.mastersias.in and fill up the contact information form, then text to WhatsApp helpline number and get confirmation. Once registration is completed, you will receive a webinar link. Join Masters IAS and learn from top masters under the leadership of Dr. S M Azad. Dr. S M Azad have done MA, MPhil, and PhD from JNU Delhi, and he is having experience of more than 10 years of mentoring IAS aspirants all over the country. He is erstwhile senior mentor of Vision IAS and editor-in-chief of one of the current affairs magazine. We offer following courses and services for IAS aspirants: crash course for UPSC Prelim, foundation and full-length course, test series, study material, personal mentorship, answer writing program. Also, we offer mentorship for optional subjects: agriculture, anthropology, history, political science, management, test series for prelims main examination, essay and ethics, mock interviews, personal mentorship program PMP. For more information, visit our official website www.mastersias.in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy free lectures by top masters of Delhi. Contact our WhatsApp helpline number 913-094-0293 for any query regarding UPSC exam. For personal mentorship program, visit website vikasvvgaikvad.com and click on personal mentorship page. Join us and success guaranteed. Thank you.